To dispute hard inquiries on Credit Karma, you can file a dispute with one of the 3 major consumer credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. If you find an inaccurate hard inquiry on your TransUnion report, you can use the Credit Karma dispute tool. For disputes with Equifax or Experian, you will need to contact them directly. You may also be able to dispute inquiries online, or you can mail a dispute letter to the respective credit bureau. To help you draft your dispute letter, you can find sample credit dispute letters online, including one from the Federal Trade Commission. Once you submit your dispute, the credit bureau will investigate, and if they find that the inquiry was not authorized, they will remove it from your credit report. This process allows you to correct errors in your credit reports, including unauthorized hard inquiries, as credit bureaus are required to investigate and correct inaccurate information. By following these steps, you can successfully dispute a hard inquiry on your credit report through Credit Karma.